Hi everyone and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we're going to be making a soap saver that only takes about 15 minutes. To get started, grab your size F or 5 crochet hook and some medium weight yarn, and you're going to want to attach your yarn to your crochet hook and chain 11. Once you have your 11 chains, we're going to want to place one single crochet in each stitch going all the way around. So to start that, we're going to place one single crochet in the back loop only of these 10 stitches across. So once you reach the end of your row, instead of turning your work and working back up these single crochet stitches, we're actually going to be working in the front loops of those chain stitches. So you're going to want to insert your hook and place one single crochet in each of those front loop stitches for a total of 10 more stitches. When you get to the end of that row, you're going to want to chain one and place one double crochet in each stitch all the way around. So in order to do that, I'm just going to be using a stitch marker. So I'm going to go ahead and put my double crochet stitch in, and then I'll place my stitch marker in my chain stitch right here. And I'm just going to be using a piece of scrap yarn, but if you have a stitch marker, that works too. And you should have 20 double crochets by the time you get back to your stitch marker. Once you get to the end of this row, you're going to want to remove your stitch marker, and we're going to be placing one single crochet in each stitch across all the way around, and you can use your stitch marker to keep up with that again if you'd like. And when you get to the end of the row of single crochets, go ahead and remove your stitch marker again, and we're going to be placing a row of double crochets, so one double crochet in each stitch across. And this is going to be your pattern for the next 6 rows, placing one double crochet in each stitch around and then one single crochet in each stitch around, alternating rows. And you're going to want to finish on a row of single crochets. Once you get done with those 8 rows of alternating between double crochet and single crochet, go ahead and remove your stitch marker, and we're going to chain 1. And we're going to skip the next stitch, and we're going to go right into the next stitch with a double crochet. We're going to chain 1 again, skipping the next stitch, and going right into the next stitch with another double crochet. So go ahead and repeat that all the way around the row. And once you reach the end of the row, you're just going to want to place one single crochet in each stitch across. And once you reach the end of your row, go ahead and place a slip stitch in the next 3 stitches, and then tie off your work and hide your tail. Next, you're just going to want to grab your yarn again and chain 30. So once you have your 30 chains, go ahead and cut your yarn and tie your tails off. And we are just going to go ahead and weave this up inside of our soap saver. And we are done with our soap saver. So please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were trying to crochet this, and I'll do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for crocheting with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day.